In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change WhatsApp language. Easy guide. Android users. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to switch WhatsApp to the language you're most comfortable using. This is especially helpful if your phone is in one language, but you prefer to chat and read messages in another. First, unlock your Android phone and find the WhatsApp icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap to open WhatsApp. Make sure you're using the official WhatsApp app from the Play Store and that it's updated, because the layout and options can look slightly different in older versions. Once WhatsApp is open, you'll land on your main chat screen. Look to the top right corner of your screen and tap the 3 vertical dots. This opens the main menu. From here, tap on Settings. If your interface is already in another language, this option is usually at the bottom of the menu, and it uses a gear icon, so it's easy to recognize. Inside Settings, you'll see several options like Accounts, Chats, Notifications, and so on. Tap on Chats. This is where you adjust how your chats look and behave, including the language in some versions of WhatsApp. On the chat screen, scroll until you see an option called App Language, or just Language. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your app version and region. Tap on that. If you don't see this option at all, it usually means WhatsApp is using your phone's system language, and you'll need to change the language in your Android settings instead. After tapping App Language, you'll see a list of available languages. Take a moment to scroll through and find the language you want. You might see several variations, like regional versions or different scripts, so choose the one that best matches your preference. Tap on your desired language once. WhatsApp will usually apply the change immediately, and you'll see the menus and options switch over to the new language. If it takes a second, don't worry. Just wait for the interface to refresh. You generally don't need to restart the app, but if it doesn't update, close WhatsApp completely and open it again. Finally, go back to your chat screen and look around the app to make sure everything now appears in the language you selected. If it doesn't look right, return to the app language screen and pick a different option from the list. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in WhatsApp on your Android device.